Good morning, my dear students. Today I would start chapter number 1, Meaning and Objective of Accounting. The learning objectives of this chapter are: what is the need for accounting, what is the meaning of accounting, characteristics of accounting, and what are the objectives of accounting. I would try to finish these 4 topics today. Need for accounting, as you all know, at the end of the year, every businessman would like to know about the total profit or loss business has incurred during the year. Therefore, it becomes necessary to keep a systematic record of each and every business transaction. Unless all the business transactions are recorded and systematic recording is done, it is not possible to ascertain at the end of the year as to how much we have purchased, what is the amount of sales, what is the profit earned or loss incurred, right? Who are our debtors, who are our creditors. All these things, if you want to know in and out of your business transactions need to be recorded in a proper and systematic way. What is the meaning of accounting or the definition of accounting? Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money. Very important, in terms of money, all those transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. In the definition only, everything is made clear that accounting is an art. In the features of accounting, you would see the first feature: accounting is an art as well as science. Accounting is an art because art is the technique of attaining some predetermined objective. Also, art is recording, classifying and summarizing business transactions with a view to ascertain the net profit or loss. In accounting, the businessman wants to know each and every minute detail of his whole year's performance. So the accountant uses his own creativity, his own methods, his own ideas to know whether each and every transaction is recorded, to know whether each and every accounting concept or conventions or assumptions are followed or not. It is also a science because science is based on some certain specified principles. And we also know that accountancy is also a science because it is also an organized body of knowledge. Therefore, we can say accounting is an art also, because whatever is learned in theory is to be applied practically in day-to-day business activities. Number 2, it is recording of financial transactions only. Accounting records only financial transactions. Only those transactions can be recorded which are capable of being measured in terms of money. If a transaction is not capable of being recorded in terms of money or measured in terms of money, it is not recorded in the books of account. Recording in terms of money only. Classifying means after recording the transactions in journal or subsidiary books are classified का मतलब है, it is the process of grouping the transactions of one nature at one place. All the transactions related to a particular nature or a particular type are recorded at a proper place called ledger. After recording them in the certain books of accounts, in journal and subsidiary books, the transactions are classified in a particular ledger where separate ledger is opened for separate type of transactions. Then there is summarizing. Summarizing is the art of presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and more useful to the management and other users of data. It involves making of final accounts, it involves making of trial balance, it involves making of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Trading and profit and loss account gives us the net profit or net loss earned by a firm, and balance sheet helps us to know about the exact position of assets and liabilities. So we can say trading and profit and loss account is an income statement, whereas balance sheet is a position statement. Then interpretation of the result. Interpretation of the result means that all the results are analyzed, interpreted in the best interest of the organization as well as the users, all those who are users of our accounting information. Last is communicating. It is also necessary to communicate all the results, all the analysis, all the data with the users of the accounting information, because it it is in the interest of our users that accounting data is shared with them, and accounting data is made to understand that it is in the interest of those people, maybe they are our creditors, they are our debtors, they are employees, the government authorities, they are common people, all should know about our accounting information. Accounting information is very important to be communicated to the necessary and interested users, so that they can make their decisions to have dealings with us. This is all for today. First topic: meaning of accounting, need of accounting, and features of accounting. In the next class, I will explain you the next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.